This is why I will always discourage marriage between the Igbo people and people that are not Igbo. Especially, specifically, the Edo tribe and the Yorubas. I will discourage, if any of my family member wants to marry from these tribes, I will discourage them, because it does not work. It does not, it is a mess. It comes out to be. Good morning, beautiful people. I welcome you today. It's a special and a very bright new day. I am making this video actually to address this recent post that is making waves on the internet right now about a certain man. I believe he's a man from the western Nigeria, Van Lai, a certain 70-year-old man who yesterday published names of women he has frolicked with, women he has had, in quote, sex with. That does not sit well with me. He listed these names. Why I'm concerned is because I saw names from my people, from my names that has to do with Igbo. He published these names and even with their surnames, everything. And for some time, pictures are coming out. What does this tell? This is a height of irresponsibility. How can you be so irresponsible even at 70? You kiss and tell? You try to destroy relationships? Maybe most of this relationship, this escapade happened maybe, let's say 10 years ago, 5 years ago. You understand? And most of these ladies has moved on. Some are with new partners now. Some are married even and have kids, and you are publishing their names, and there are people that knows them. Even if people does not know them, there are people who bear the same name. Like me, I am Emeka Nduka. There are people who also bear Emeka Nduka. My name is also, my Stanley Chukwemeka. There are people who bear the same Stanley Chukwemeka, and this can cause problems, distrust in relationships. You had an affair with some people, and you are coming out on the open place like the social media to pest their names. Not just that you are talking about this, but you are pesting their names. For what purpose? Specifically my own self. This is why I will always discourage marriage between the Igbo people and people that are not Igbo. Specifically the Edo tribe and the Yorubas. I will discourage, if any of my family member wants to marry from these tribes, I will discourage them, because it does not work. It does not, it is a mess. It comes out to be a mess. I have a brother, a kinsman, my kinsman now, who married a Benin lady. You understand? He is a total mess right now, a shadow of himself, nothing, like he has lost his mind, not really like, he has lost his mind, he's sick. This woman, what did she do? She packaged him and called his brothers and sent him back to the village. This man has no cognitive reasoning now. You understand? To even tell he's part of the story. They had two children. These two children, they are very young. They can't come. This Benin woman has taken them and rendered this young man useless. Now, other people, like I have other, in my people who married Benin, it does not work. I'm not trying to deviate, but this is an irresponsible man. You had sex with people. You had relationship with people in the past. Whatever means, if it is you are gathering trophy, whatever that it means, that relationship is no more. But you are back here in 2023. This time that Nigerians are wailing, Nigerians are suffering due to high inflation, high cost of commodities in the market. What you have to offer Nigeria as a solace is to publish names, hundreds of names about, of women that you have slept with. This is Mr. I don't know what to refer you as, Mr. Chief or whatever. It is irresponsible, and I demand that you pull down that name. If you can pull down your tribe's name, the Yorubas and the Hausas and whatever that you put there, please put down those Igbo women's name. And for you Igbo women, this is why you should always be thinking. Think. Gone are the days when women is known for their chastity. Now, I mean, you open leg for any Tom, Dick and Harry, I mean, because he has a dick or what? And at the end of the day, you come back with shame. Have some decorum for yourself. Have some dignity. Have some self-respect for yourself. Marry from your tribe. Marry from your tribe. Yes, I'm not trying to be tribalistic, but if you call me a tribalist, there's no problem. I am protecting. This is the time for every person to think home. Think about how to better your own people. And that is why I am doing what I'm doing. I am Chukwemeka, the Unified Igbo's non-proponent. I am warning every Igbo woman, have respect. Ask about how the Igbo woman was before the war. Yes, before that ugly war. I believe that ugly war destroyed the respect the Igbo woman used to enjoy. Back in the days, before any other tribe can see the shimmy of an Igbo woman, it go suffer. It is true that even when an Igbo woman urinates somewhere, you see all these tribes going to pack sands from where she urinates, because that is the closest they can get. And if they ever see the shimmy of an Igbo woman, they celebrate. And if they ever succeed in marrying an Igbo woman, when they go to their villages, I mean, their villages kill goat for them because they married an Igbo woman. This is a warning. It is a warning. Give us some respect. We deserve it. Thank you and God bless.